Alright, from out in the field today, I'm out here at Outlet Creek at one of the headcut repairs that we put in to reestablish some fish habitat and more of a natural equilibrium to these creeks and rivers out here that have been completely channelized the last century or so for access to grazing. So the 2,100 acres out here, there's several features like this, and this is the second year that these are in place, and I'm really happy to say as a hydrologist, water quality scientist, that these are working quite well. You can see the old channel is very typical of all the channels in this valley, very straight and almost no habitat for fish, no shade, no pools at all. It's just a straight channel. And you can also see these features up here. They're called root wad revetments, and they're the end of a tree with the root wad sticking out, and they create a scour hole. And here we deposited a bunch of clean wash spawning gravel on this side to give it a little bit of a sinuosity here on this side of the river. So it's working really successfully. After 2 years, you can see the willows are well established along with all the other plants. So I'm really excited to see that the mitigation efforts for the Willits Bypass are working quite well.